Here's a conversation about someone's weekend. Practicing conversations like this can definitely help improve your English skills. You, hi. How was your weekend? Friend, hey. It was really good, actually. How about yours? You, mine was great too. What did you do? Friend, well, on Saturday, I woke up early and decided to go for a run in the park. The weather was perfect, and it felt great to get some exercise in the morning. How about you? Do you like running? You, that's awesome. I do enjoy running, but I usually go in the evenings. There's something calming about running as the sun sets. What did you do after your run? Friend, after the run, I met up with some friends for brunch at a cozy cafe nearby. We had delicious pancakes and coffee. It was nice to catch up with everyone. Do you have a favorite brunch spot? You? Yes, there's a small cafe near my place that makes the best avocado toast and fresh juices. I love going there on weekends. So, what did you do in the afternoon? Friend, in the afternoon, I visited a local farmer's market. It was so lively and colorful. I bought some fresh strawberries and a loaf of sourdough bread. Do you like going to farmers' markets? You, I do. There's always something special about the atmosphere at a farmer's market. Fresh produce, homemade goods, and friendly vendors make it a great experience. Did you cook anything with the strawberries and bread? Friend, I made a simple yet delicious strawberry and cream cheese sandwich with the bread. It was a perfect snack. How about you? Did you cook anything special over the weekend? You, I tried a new recipe for a pasta dish with homemade pesto. It turned out really well. I love experimenting with new recipes when I have the time. What did you do on Sunday? Friend, on Sunday, I decided to take a day trip to a nearby town I've never visited before. The drive was beautiful, and the town was charming. I explored the historic center, visited a couple of museums, and even tried some local food at a restaurant there. Do you enjoy day trips? You, absolutely. I love discovering new places, especially those with a lot of history. It sounds like you had a wonderful day. What kind of local food did you try? Friend, I had this amazing dish called local specialty that was recommended by the restaurant owner. It was so flavorful and unique. I also tried some homemade desserts that were to die for. What's the best meal you've had on a trip? You, one of the best meals I've had was during a trip to Italy. The pasta and gelato there were unforgettable. Every meal felt like a culinary adventure. So, what did you do in the evening when you got back from your day trip? Friend, when I got back, I was pretty tired, so I just relaxed and watched a movie. It was a nice way to end the weekend. Did you do anything special to wrap up your weekend? You, I did something similar. I watched a movie and planned out my week. It was a nice, calm way to wind down. Any plans for the upcoming weekend? Friend, not yet, but I'm thinking about maybe hiking or visiting a new museum. What about you? You, I might visit some friends or try out a new restaurant in town. Let's see how the week goes. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe.